Jiangsu Wolfkingtech Company Limited, which is located in Nantong City, Jiangsu Province, is committed to manufacturing high-end heating and freezing equipment and providing one-stop overall solution. The main members of the team have more than 25 years of experience in the food processing industry and have provided products and services to more than 2,000 customers at home and abroad. Wolfking product line covers a series of steps in food heating, freezing, and refrigeration. In view of the different production requirements and pain points of different customers, each link is linked to each other. Personalized solutions are developed to liberate productivity and improve core competitiveness. Advanced design, excellent material selection, scientific production and management have allowed Wolfking brand to gradually grow. Wolfking has launched many products such as fryer tunnel oven, spiral freezer, plate freezer, brine shower freezer, and etc., all over 40 countries and regions. Long-term hard work has made us understand the industry better, pay attention to the needs of every customer, adhere to the craftsman spirit of excellence, and let customers get a satisfactory experience.